Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyhow. Absolutely monster move today again, but the big difference compared to the past previous price movements is you look at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. First level of support, and one of the newest areas, is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $5. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 5, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay above that $5 mark, that would certainly be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here, the 50-period moving average, comes into play. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial level going to be right here, and this is pretty straightforward. I mean, I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole lot of times the price tried to get up through 530, can never quite do it. And then after 530, I think that might almost be a blue sky breakout. Let's see. Yeah. Going back to the history of things, yeah. And I mean, we're going years at this point. So, all right, I realize it's hard to see, but trust me, that's a good problem to have when you have to go back literally years since the last time the price has been up this high. So after that, initial level of resistance, next key level up there right around $5.85. So all in all, though, just keep on building the higher bases like this thing's been doing, and then give it enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So another great move today. Let's see what this one has in store. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.